Hey, ever jump into DaVinci Resolve and feel like you're swimming in a sea of clips, timelines and chaos? Like you have the perfect shot somewhere? Today I'm gonna show you why organization isn't just some neat little bonus. It's the secret sauce that saves you hours and keeps your edit smooth and stress-free. Ready to finally take control of your projects? Let's go! And hey, if you like editing tips that feel that you actually helps, then hit that subscribe button and like. Today I show you 4 simple ways to stay organized in DaVinci Resolve. These are tools I use in almost every single project. And the last one, this is a real game changer, so don't miss that.
This is a fundamental game changer.
Power bins are like always ready folder. Drop a file in one time and it shows up in every project. I use it for stuff I always need, like emojis, sound effects and overlays. No more importing the same files again and again. That's it. Now drag in your files and they are always ready in every single project. Super simple, super useful. Next tip, use multiple timelines. If you work in one big timeline, you're making your life way harder than it needs to be. I use different timelines for different steps. One for my raw clips, and one for clips I want to use. And one for the final video, with zooms, colors, effects and things like that. You can stack your timelines like layers. Click the icon and pick your final timeline. Now you can drag in your clip of your choice. Your future self will thank me for that. Next up, markers. Markers will help you remember stuff. Hit the M key to drop one. Double click on a marker to write a note. Like add music here or fix this cut. You can write here whatever you want. You can give each marker a color and a name. They work like bookmarks, super helpful. It's like sticky notes right on your timeline. Now let's talk about colors. Color grading your clips make your timeline way easier to understand. Here's how I do it. Light blue for talking clips, orange for B-roll, dark blue for animation. Sound I use pink for voiceover, green for music, blue for sound effects and beige for background color. Just right-click on a track to change the color. Power bins keep your files ready, multiple timelines things clean, markers help you remember, and color coding makes everything easier to see. Use these tips and DaVinci Resolve gets way easier to use. If this video helped you, smash that like button and hit subscribe. I've got more editing tips that coming soon. And hey, do you have your own secret tip for staying organized? Drop in the comments below. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, peace.